fridge so I don't forget. Okay. Hi everyone, it is Jerri-ellen here. Welcome neighbors to Cooking with Neighbors. Hope everyone is doing great. Today we are making it's called Bubble Up Taco. You heard me right, Bubble Up Taco. It's a fun recipe. It's great for your next taco night if you want to give it a try. And it's very simple and delicious, I'm telling you. Okay, so in a pan here I fried up 2 pounds of hamburger meat. If you have a regular ground or medium ground, after it's cooked, make sure you strain the excess fat off of it. So after the moisture was cooked out of it and it's all crumbled up by chopping it up with my wooden spoon here, I added a package of taco seasoning. Okay? So I put that on in there. My oven is preheated to 350. And here I have a 9x13 casserole dish that I buttered up. And I have a package of country biscuits, like, you know, you get them the Pillsbury, I guess, or Great Value, whatever kind, and you're going to quarter them into your casserole dish. Okay?
Can I have a shot of that?
This here?
No, the pot.
This here?
Yeah, what's it called?
It's country style biscuits.
No
You find them in by the butter and stuff at Walmart and grocery stores. It's like, I'll let her up in case that's okay.
I could do it.
They're like, want the cover on it? You want that? That's what they are.
Yeah.
Okay, we want to evenly, as much as we can, evenly distribute these biscuits. I have one more here to cut. This is the other than cooking the beef, this is the time-consuming part, which is not really time-consuming. Okay. Now, I'm going to put our ground beef that we cooked up on top of our biscuits. I'll make a mess, don't mind me. It smells good already. Okay, so all our biscuits are covered up. And here I diced up 2 bell peppers. You can do green, yellow, red, doesn't matter, whatever you want. So 2 bell peppers, green, 1 whole onion, finely diced up, and I threw in some pickled jalapeños and hot peppers because we like that, but that's optional. And if you like your veggies to be like super soft, you can saute them first before putting them in here, or you can cut them smaller while they're cooking. So I'm going to put half of this mixture.
And there's, yeah, hot peppers?
Yeah, I put jalapeños and pickled jalapeños and hot peppers because we like that. So yeah, make it your own, right? So that's there. That's half of it.
Just the stuff that you put in a taco, whatever you like.
Whatever you like in a taco. You want olives, whatever you want, right? Now I have 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to put half of that on here. Okay.
And we actually ate this about 2 days ago, and we liked it so much that we just demanded you make it again.
Yeah, exactly. Now this is 1 cup of salsa. Get your salsa, or whatever kind you want, medium, mild, hot, chunky, doesn't matter. Whatever you and your family like. And I'm going to put that on top. Spread that around. Now I'm going to put the rest of our vegetables. With our clean hands, of course. And the rest of our cheese. You can put more cheese on it if you like. Like I say, it's up to you. Now I'm going to cover this and put it in the oven covered for 35 minutes. And then I'm going to take the foil off and put it back in the oven for another 10 or 15 minutes. And then we'll come back and show you this deliciousness. Cover that up. Okay. We are back. Okay, so it was on for 35 minutes covered, Casey, with the foil on it. Then I took it out, took the foil off, put it back in, waited 15 minutes, and we're done. Now we take it out. I'm going to put it here so if you want a good shot. There we go. Looky there. Look at all that goodness. What do you think?
It's good.
Tell me what you think. Anyway, it is so good. I think your next taco night, give it a try.
I think it's super good. The
Yeah.
biscuit or whatever.
Yeah, and if you want, you can make homemade tea biscuits and put dollops of your dough of your homemade tea biscuits on the bottom, or your country biscuits, you know. I'm not sure how to really plate it, but let's just get a big scoop because Casey's. I'll take a little taste for everyone, but see the biscuit there?
Yeah.
Nice and browned. And you can put a dollop of sour cream on top, some green onions, or some rich dollop of ranch. But I'm going to take a little bite of biscuit, a little bit of cheese, some cheesy goodness. Oh man, it's hot. Fantastic. Like, thumbs up, share, subscribe. It is so good. Yeah, it is very good. I hope you guys try it. Anywho, have a great day, everyone, and a wonderful week. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody in the United States. And take care. Be blessed.
Bye.
Bye.